All right, kiddos. Let's start with Module 4. Which one do we need to do? Oh, what happened? Oh, gosh. Huh? Number 1? So go to Module 4 and look at number 1. And here we go. So Module 4, number 1. We're going to switch back and forth between the modules. So let's start with number 1. All right. So it says, let me find it. A manufacturer of tennis balls has a daily cost of C of X equals 200 minus 10X plus 0.01X squared. Tell me what A is. Careful. What? Yeah, 0.01. What is B? Negative 10. Good. And what is C? 200. That's right, because this is not in standard form. What I've noticed is some of you are putting these in standard form and you're messing up your signs. Just keep them like they are. Okay, just keep them like they are. Now it says that C is the total cost. So C is what value? What variable is C acting as right now? Okay, but C is cost, and it's in what spot? The X spot or the Y spot? Isn't C in the Y spot? Yeah. Is it? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so C is right here. Let me fix that. I don't want that. Okay, so C is right here, and then what does it tell me X is? Look at your problem. So go to Module 4, look at number 1. What does it tell me X is? The number of tennis balls. So this is cost, and this is tennis balls. Now, the question says, what number of tennis balls will produce the what? Minimum. We have not done this one. All of the ones we have done have been maximums, I think, haven't they? Well, it's the same process. We have a minimum, but where does this graph cross the y-axis? At C, doesn't it? Yeah, you always cross the y-axis at the C value. So we know it crosses at 200, and we know that this is positive, so we know it opens up. It opens up. So, I mean, I don't know for sure what it looks like, but something like that. And so, like I said, this quick graph y'all need to do. You need to do it on your paper, because what I want to see when I'm helping you is your dot, your point of what this question's asking. This question says, what number of tennis balls, so what are we solving for, X or C? X, because X is the number of tennis balls. What number of tennis balls will produce the minimum? Where's the minimum? Is it right here? No, is it right here? No, it's right here. So I'm going to find the minimum, and I'm going to use the X value of it, because X is the number of tennis balls. So we get our calculator. All right, this is the hardest part, figuring out what you need. So you get your calculator, then you clear your calculator out, and you type, hello, hi. You want to come right here for a minute?
She's recording.
Oh, no. Oh, man, I can't get any of you to.
Abby.
Hello. Oh, come here. Look, she would come and say hi. Hi, she says, we sell snacks.
Are you saying
She sells snacks.
Okay, so we're gonna sell snacks.
Oh, tick me. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but we're typing this into y equals. And do I even need to worry about putting 0 into y2?
Yes.
Do I care about when it's hitting the x-axis? No, I want the minimum. So I type it into y equals, and I just hit zoom 6. Zoom 6, so that we all can be on the same page. So you guys should probably be doing that. When you hit zoom 6, you might think you're doing something wrong, because what happens? You don't see anything. So there's a couple ways you can handle this. The first way I taught you guys was what? Change your window. But what did I tell you today? What's something you can do? Zoom fit, which is zoom 0. That's what I'm talking about. So hit zoom 0. So zoom. Now, when you zoom 0, this is actually what it looks like, a straight line, doesn't it? I know you guys can't see that, but I'm showing the camera. You see a straight line. And then what's the next step if it's not showing you the whole parabola?
Zoom out.
That's right, zoom 3.
Oh, are you coming?
Yes, Zachary, you want to come here?
No.
Ah.
I'm good.
Okay. Zoom. Hey, Zoom 3, enter. Do it. So I did that, and it still kind of looks straight. So what do I do now, JC? What do I do now?
Oh, I don't know.
I hit Zoom 3 again. You just did this one. Oh my God. Zoom 3, enter. I'm starting to maybe see the curve now. I can't quite see it, so I keep hitting Zoom 3 until I see it. So Zoom 3, enter. Oh my goodness. Did you finally get there? Oh yay. How many times did you end up having to do it? Yeah, I'm gonna have to do it again. So I go Zoom 3, enter, and oh my goodness, there it is. I got there. Perseverance. It was a marathon. Can you guys see this? That's what I ended up with. Now I'm trying to calculate that minimum, correct? Remember, the hardest part is context. That's the hardest part. The second hardest part is finding the graph. Now, you just gotta know your steps. So, yes ma'am. Yes, Damaris. How may I assist you?
I'm just lost.
Well, you're going to have to get help because I'm right in the middle of this.
Oh, sorry.
And I will help you in a minute.
Okay.
I'm doing module 4, number 1. So, Jasmine, I'm sure can help you.
She don't know.
Jasmine said no. I'm sure. Oh, Emily can help you. Oh, she's leaving.
It's not me.
But you're leaving? Emily, why are you leaving?
She was the one that just made a guest appearance. She's leaving me.
Bye, Emily. Get
Bye.
out the door.
Okay, so Damaris, I'll get right with you. So I've got this. I've got to find the minimum. So how do we find the minimum? Second what? Calc. Minimum. What number is that one? Is that 3? And then I go to the left, hit enter. I go to the right, hit enter. And what do I do for a guess? I hit enter. So second calc. 3 for minimum. Go to the left, enter. Go to the right, enter. Hit enter through guess. And I got 500. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That's right. So what do we do when we get 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, Taya? I just say what? 500. Oh, but you got 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this right here is 500 comma what? What'd you guys get? Negative? Negative 2300?
Yeah.
Now, let's answer the question. The question said, how many tennis balls? So what's my answer? Is it 500 or is it negative 2300? 500 tennis ball. 500 tennis ball. 500 tennis balls produce the minimum what? Yes, the minimum cost. Okay. That was fabulous. Oh, man.
Skills.
Okay, that was module 4, number 1.